Welcome to the frontier, fellow time travelers. It is April 2026, and if you haven't heard the news, your cells are currently throwing a massive microscopic party. Today, we're diving into the absolute latest on the A-Team of longevity, the Sirtuins. Now, if you're new to the club, think of Sirtuins as your body's elite team of cellular janitors and master conductors. When active, they repair DNA, burn fat, and keep your mitochondria, engines of your cells, humming like a vintage Ferrari.
Let's start with the big boss, SIRT1. For years, we knew it was the metabolic manager, but we didn't know why it sometimes just quits. Just last week, on March 24th, 2026, researchers at UNIST dropped a bombshell. They discovered a tiny genetic villain called microRNA 93. This little gremlin specifically targets SIRT1, shutting it down and leading straight to fatty liver disease. But here's the colorful part. The antidote isn't some experimental $10,000 drug. It's vitamin B3, niacin. In a stunning screening of 150 FDA-approved drugs, good old B3 was the champion that silenced the gremlin and woke SIRT1 back up. It's like finding out the secret to fixing a high-tech security system was just flipping a standard light switch. SIRT1 is back in the driver's seat, cleaning out liver fat and restoring insulin. Let's talk about the longevity gene itself, SIRT6. If SIRT1 is the manager, SIRT6 is the elite DNA repairman. As of March 30th, 2026, a major clinical trial out of the National University of Singapore, Project SIRT6 Activator, has gone live with its latest data. They aren't using mystery chemicals, they're using Fucoidan, a supplement derived from brown seaweed. The goal? To see if activating SIRT6 can actually reverse your biological age, measured by the famous GrimAge Clock. And early whispers from the biotech world are electric. A European startup, Virella, just filed a massive patent this month for a new class of small molecule SIRT6 activators that are the most potent ever recorded. We are moving from "maybe this works" to "here is the key to the..." But wait, we have to go deeper, into the mitochondria. Enter SIRT3. Think of SIRT3 as the mechanic who works on the engine while the car is still doing 80 miles per hour on the freeway. Up until now, SIRT3 was considered undruggable. It was too slippery for medicine to grab onto. However, CCM Biosciences just announced that their first-in-class SIRT3 activators are entering human efficacy trials. These compounds don't just help the enzyme, they restore it to the levels of a 20-year-old. This is massive news for anyone tracking Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. By boosting SIRT3, we aren't just treating symptoms, we're cleaning up the cellular soot that causes brain cells to flicker out in the first place. Not just happening under a microscope. Sirtuins have officially conquered the world of high-end aesthetics. At the 2026 IMCAS World Congress in February, the heavy hitters of skincare, like Estée Lauder, revealed that Sirtuin activation is the holy grail of what they're calling regenerative aesthetics. We're seeing new serums that use Bacillus lysate to trigger Sirtuin activity directly in the skin. The results? Clinical trials showed a 50% reduction in visible wrinkles in just 28 days. It turns out that when you tell your skin cells to act young via Sirtuin signaling, they actually listen. We're moving past anti-aging and into the era of age reversal. So what's the takeaway for you in April or 2026? The science is clear. We are no longer victims of our biological clocks. Whether it's through seaweed-derived activators, a simple boost of vitamin B3, or the cutting-edge drugs entering trials this month, the Sirtuin Symphony is playing louder than ever. Your cells are listening. Give them the signal to stay young. This has been your 2026 Sirtuin Update. Stay vibrant, stay curious, and most importantly, stay activated.